In this video, we will present to you the employee calendar. Pantheon has one main calendar, the company calendar. The company calendar's department hierarchy affects how working hours for employees are planned. Employees can inherit the planned work schedule of the department, or the company's working hours can also be adjusted to the requirements of their position. There are 4 employees in the manufacturing department. The head of manufacturing has his own schedule. The working hours for the other 3 employees must follow the schedule as set for the department. Navigate to one of the employees and use the Transfer to Tasks function to record information about the working hours for all 3 employees, for payroll purposes. In payroll, you can then simply transfer the regular working hours and absences for the payroll period from tasks and calendars. This way, you don't have to plan the schedule for each individual employee, because the planning is level-based. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.